It showed up.
Business credit expert. Press 9 to be removed from our calling list. This is the National Weather Service Forecast Office in White Lake, Michigan. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards Radio. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11:15 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. Be advised that weather conditions will affect the signal quality of the broadcast. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. On KEC 63 from Southfield, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe, and St. Clair. On KIH 29 from Clio, Genesee, Saginaw, Shiawassee, Lapeer, Tuscola, Bay, Midland, Huron, Oakland, and Livingston. On WNG 582 from Sandusky, Huron, Lapeer, St. Clair, Sanilac, and Tuscola. On WNG 647 from Adrian, Lenawee, Hillsdale, Jackson, Monroe, and Washtenaw. And in Ohio, Fulton, Henry, Lucas, and Williams. On WNG 701 from Bad Axe, Huron, Sanilac, Tuscola, Aranac, Iosco, and Alcona. This concludes the test of NOAA All Hazards Radio.
That tone scared me.